Welcome to the Resonance World School app, your go-to platform to stay connected with your child's school life. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to use the app and explore all its features. Step 1. Download the app. Head to the App Store, search for Resonance World School and download the app to your iPhone. Step 2. Open the app and log in using the credentials provided by the school. Step 3. Once logged in, tap on your child's name, for example, ABC, to open their personal dashboard. At the top of the screen, you will see three important icons: attendance, class diary, announcement. In attendance, you can view your child's daily, weekly, or monthly attendance records, clearly marked and updated in real time. Class diary. Tap here to check assigned homework, classwork, notes, and teacher instructions for the day. Announcements. This includes all important school notice, circulars, exam timetables, and even updates. Let's move on to the main dashboard section. The dashboard is divided into four main categories. SIS, Student Information System. This section helps you track your child's routine and personal note. Anecdotes. Here you can read personal remarks, feedback, or behavior notes shared by the teachers. Attendance. Here you can track presence, absence, and holidays. Timetable. Here you can view subject-wise schedule for each day. This section gives you a full picture of your child's school day and progress. Moving to Gradebooks. The Gradebook is where you can monitor academic performance. Report card, which shows term-wise academic results and grades. Other examination. Here you can check results from mock test, assessments, or subject-specific exams. Moving to next, communication. Stay in touch with your child's academic activities and school announcement through assignments. In assignment, you can view homework, submission status, and due dates. Class diary. Another shortcut to daily teacher notes. Student wall. Highlights and teacher messages directed to your child. Next, event calendar. Here you can get list of holidays, functions, and school-wide activities. Gallery. Here you can view photos from recent school events, class activities, and celebrations. Announcement. Same as top icon but also available inside this section for easy access. Now, moving to setting. In the center of your dashboard, you will find the setting icon. Here you can see the second option to access your child profile. Now scroll to the bottom to find direct link to our official platform like Facebook, YouTube, school website, Instagram. To recap, the most important section of the app include the top icon, attendance, class diary, and announcement. If you have any issue using the app, feel free to contact the front office during working hours, which is 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And finally, we will be adding more features soon. And as they go live, we will create updated videos to guide you through every new addition. Thank you for using the Resonance World School app, your daily companion in your child's education journey.